Bank loan moratorium expires tomorrow. Things customers should pay attention to in repayment. Hello and welcome to the newstoday.tv. The Reserve Bank has told the Supreme Court that the interest rates during the moratorium period in the country alone are estimated at 2 lakh crore rupees. Therefore, neither the central and the state governments nor the Bankers Committee has asked the Reserve Bank to extend the moratorium period. It is reported that the term may not be extended as it will present a huge debt burden to the banks. The 6-month loan moratorium announced by the Reserve Bank following the COVID expansion crisis is ending tomorrow, and the loan repayments are starting with it. The Reserve Bank has said it will not extend the moratorium as the number of defaulters is on the rise. The Supreme Court will reconsider the case next month, which calls into question the collection of interest and compound interest during the moratorium period. The court directed the central government to state its position on the issue before tomorrow. The total number of repayments for those who choose to moratorium will increase by 6 more. The interest incurred during the moratorium period will be divided and added to the actual EMI. Thus, the monthly repayment amount will increase as the interest goes up. What customers need to know? The bank will know the new monthly repayment amount. If you can pay the interest on the moratorium period together, do it. This will help you to avoid monthly increase in compounding interest. Some banks have decided to treat the interest incurred during the moratorium period as a separate loan which is repayable within 6 months. Investigate the possibility of availing this at your bank. Many banks have issued the moratorium facility after obtaining a prior application. However, the customer should inquire at the bank whether such a new application is required to restructure the loan. The loan defaults during the moratorium period will not affect the credit score. However, if the repayment is delayed from September, it will affect the credit score. This may prevent you from getting loans in the future. Those who did not choose the moratorium have to just continue the repayment. 3/4 of Kerala's customers are still struggling to recover from the COVID crisis. From next month, the Malayalis are left with no way to resume their repayments. It remains to be seen in the coming days whether the central and the state governments and the Reserve Bank will realize the plight of the common people who are facing such a crisis in addition to the COVID pandemic. For more news and content, follow and subscribe to the newstoday.tv.